G'day viewers, here's a story I stumbled across on a fairly serious law blog with not that serious a name, Popat, but it's a real lawyer or real lawyers on the site, and they talk about real issues, and they're very big on free speech. And as an outsider, it can be very interesting the degree to which the whole free speech thing is fetishized by some people in the US. And when you're a lawyer and you're going out, you mean it seriously, not these idiots who wave around going, I don't get to call you a fag, it's free speech, but then they get upset if you say anything they don't like. These guys seem to be what I would call purists with free speech. And this particular piece is about a case in Texas of a guy who's on obscenity charges for making a dog fucking video. Yes, the dude is actually fucking a dog. Now, I don't actually know if the dude is fucking the dog or the dog is fucking the dude. I don't want to know. Actually, that is not information that I require. I will live quite happily with knowing no further details apart from the fact the guy made a video of intimate relations with a dog. Now, you may not be surprised he's being prosecuted, but why is this lawyer up in arms about it? Well, Texas is one of the US states where bestiality is not a crime. That's right, the dude fucking a dog has not broken the law by fucking a dog. The thing he's being prosecuted for is they found it on video, and they were so disgusted by it, they said, we have to prosecute him, and so they're getting him for obscenity for having a recording of it. And what this lawyer is saying is, that is major league bullshit and a serious First Amendment breach because the act is not illegal, so how can a video of a legal act be illegal? He's very upset that the prosecutors are using their personal morals to override anything in the First Amendment. And it has been established fairly solidly, although there are prosecutions every now in the US about obscenity, there's a fairly clear definition that even if it's nasty, nasty porn, it's still protected speech. The fact that you don't like it doesn't matter. And you are not going to get an enormous number of people come out and defend this guy for the whole dog fucking thing. Maybe behind closed doors there's some zoophilia aficionados who are talking about what a miscarriage of justice it is, but out in public I think you might be limited to zealous First Amendment lawyers speaking up on this guy's behalf. And that is what makes the whole thing so interesting to me. This guy is a purist. He's like saying, okay, fucking a dog's gross, I'm not going to argue with you. And he also points out if bestiality was illegal, this guy would be fucked, okay? He'd be done. He would have broken the law and he would have stupidly made a recording of himself breaking the law, and he'd have no defense all over. And it wouldn't be an obscenity charge, it would be a bestiality charge. But bestiality is not illegal in Texas. The lawmakers there are going to enormous lengths to do things like make abortion illegal, to declare that transgender people don't exist and they have to use the public restroom of their birth gender, but they're apparently not that fussed about making animal fucking illegal. All I'm saying is that seems to show that they've got a clear idea of what their constituency wants. So this, to me, this is one of the magical things about America. Almost anywhere else in the world, this guy and the dog fucking video and an obscenity charge, slam dunk, no defense, he doesn't stand a chance of winning the case. He is like gone for all money because it's going to be dead easy to find a judge and a jury who think he's gross and disgusting and vile and should be in jail, and impossible to find anyone to say he's not. But in America, the defense is not whether he is disgusting or not, although that is clearly the approach the prosecution's taking. The defense is the First Amendment. This is one of those things, like, often, but particularly non-Americans, but also people in America who are for gun control, when Second Amendment discussions come up, and they say, like, oh, you're saying that the founding fathers said, you know, guns should be illegal. They had no idea what sort of guns we could have. The idea of using what they said to govern us now is fucking stupid. I would also like to go back in time when they're talking about the First Amendment. That was the first one they came up with. So no, we really have to say the government can't infringe free speech. And so I want to go up and say, so what you're saying, you definitely want a guy to be able to make a video of dog fucking. And of course, the first thing they're going to say is, what is video, stranger? And then they'll pause for a second and they go, wait, dog fucking? What the fuck is wrong with you? And in the modern world, that's not a discussion that this lawyer wants to have. He doesn't care what's wrong with the dog fucker. He just wants the dog fucker's First Amendment rights protected. God bless America.